Have you ever had to deal with a blood stain on your mattress?
Yeah, they're a hassle but not impossible to clean.
What's the best way to get rid of a blood stain?
Start by dabbing the stain with cold water. Hot water will only set it further.
What if it's an old stain?
Then, apply an enzyme-based cleaner, let it sit for 15 minutes, blot, and repeat if needed. It's effective at breaking down blood.
And if I don't have a cleaner on hand?
Try a baking soda paste or diluted vinegar. They help, but enzyme cleaners are best for blood.
Why is it so important to keep the mattress clean?
Keeping it clean prevents allergens, ensures comfort, and prolongs its life, essential for good sleep hygiene.
Makes sense. How can I make my mattress last longer?
Vacuum regularly and rotate it every few months to distribute wear evenly.
I appreciate the tips. I'll take better care of my mattress from now on.
Glad to help. If you consider upgrading, explore puffy mattresses. They're built for easy care and lasting comfort.